Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. In today's video, I am going to show you how to crochet a 3D flower scare for pillow cover. So friends, for this project, I am using a 5mm crochet hook and a 3-ply cotton yarn. First of all, wrap the yarn around your fingers like this. And make a magic ring with the help of crochet hook, which is basically a loose slip knot. After making the magic ring, start your flower with chain 3. Chain 3 is counted as our first double crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn, go into the magic ring, pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops and pull through second 2 loops. This is our second double crochet stitch after chain 3. Now repeat the same process and make double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5. 5 double crochets are enough for popcorn stitch, but my yarn is thin, so I am making a 6 double crochet stitch. Now pull this loop, go into this first chain 3, which is our first double crochet stitch. Now pull this loop from this first double crochet stitch and tight it. This is our first popcorn stitch petal. Now make chain 1. After making chain 1, again make 6 double crochet stitches into the magic ring. Double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5 and double crochet 6. Now pull this loop, go into this first double crochet stitch and pull this loop from this first double crochet stitch and tight it to make a second popcorn stitch petal. Now again make chain 1, make 2 more petals of popcorn stitch. So friends, I have completed 4 petals for popcorn stitch. Now pull the starting yarn tail to tighten the circle and make last chain 1. After making last chain 1, go into this chain 3 and make a slip stitch to finish your first row. Now pull the extra yarn and cut the extra yarn. After cutting the extra yarn, cut the starting yarn tail and weave this yarn with the help of needle. Now for the second row, I am going to change the color of yarn. So make a slip stitch first. After making a slip stitch, take this flower, go into this chain 1 space between popcorn stitches and make a slip stitch. After making a slip stitch, make chain 3. Chain 3 is counted as our first double crochet stitch again. Now make chain 4 for corner. So chain 4 for corner, total of chain 7. Now wrap the yarn, go into the same chain 1 space, pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops and pull through second 2 loops. So this is our V stitch basically for corner. Now make chain 2. After making chain 2, go into this first popcorn stitch space where we have tightened our loop. First of all, wrap the yarn, go into this popcorn stitch space, pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops. Again make chain 2. After making chain 2, go into the next chain 1 space between next 2 popcorn stitches and make a double crochet stitch. After making a double crochet stitch, make chain 4 for corner and again make a double crochet stitch into the same chain 1 space. Now again make chain 2, wrap the yarn, go into this second popcorn stitch space where we have join our first double crochet stitch to last double crochet stitch, go into the space and make a double crochet stitch. Again make chain 2, go into the next chain 1 space between next 2 popcorn stitches and make double crochet stitch, chain 4 and double crochet stitch into the same chain 1 space. I hope you can understand the pattern easily. So make chain 2, go into this popcorn stitch space and make a double crochet stitch. This is a little bit difficult to identify. Make chain 2, go into the next chain 1 space and repeat the same process of double crochet, chain 4 and double crochet for the corner. Now make chain 2, go into this last popcorn stitch space and make last double crochet stitch, chain 2. Now go into this chain 3, third chain and make a slip stitch to finish our row. After finishing it, cut the extra yarn. So now we are going to make a solid square. Again change the color of yarn, go into any of the chain 2 space and make a slip stitch. After making a slip stitch, take this starting yarn tail between your stitches. Start with chain 3 again. Chain 3 is counted as our first double crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn, go into the same chain 2 space and make double crochet 2, double crochet 3. After making 3 double crochet stitches, go into the next chain 4 space of corner and here we will make our corner. So make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3. After making 3 double crochet stitches, make chain 1. After making chain 1, wrap the yarn, go into the same chain 4 space again and make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and double crochet 3. So we are making 3 double crochet, chain 1 and 3 double crochet for the corner. Now cut these starting yarn tails. After cutting these starting yarn tail, go into the next chain 2 space and make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and double crochet 3. After making 3 double crochet stitches, go into the next chain 2 space and again make 3 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3. We will always make 3 double crochet stitches into chain 2 spaces, and for this chain 4 corner make 3 double crochet stitches, chain 1 for corner and again into the same chain for space 3 double crochet stitches. So this is very simple and easy pattern with 3D flower. So repeat the same process till the end. So friends, I have completed my solid double crochet square row. Now to finish this row, go into the chain 3 and make a slip stitch, pull over the extra yarn and cut it off. You can make more rows if you want to make a bigger patch. So this is very simple and easy pattern to make a 3D flower in the center of a square patch. So now weave this yarn to some backside stitches. First of all, make a knot to secure your work. So may your stitches not loose. Cut it and make a tight knot. After making knot, weave this yarn end to some backside stitches and cut it off. Now our square patch is ready, which you can use in sweaters, blankets, pillow covers and some other crochet projects. If you like this square patch, please give it a try. If you have any question about this project, please ask in the comment section. I will reply your question. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Remember me in prayers. Allah Hafiz.